Morning guys, December 8th, 2025. So I gotta go do a burner service for an older lady. She called me. I believe it's oil. Been there before and she called me to come back and service it. I don't know when I was there last. I tried calling her a couple of times from my cell phone. When I leave my office, I forward to my cell phone, you know. She was hanging up on me. She didn't know who it was. Pick up the phone and hang up. Then she called me back and says, "Well, you keep hanging up on me." Try calling her again. She don't pick up. It's an ongoing problem, it seems like. She finally called me back after a couple of times, 3-4 times. I'm going there now. Yeah, so it's been about almost a year. It's been a year. 125. Sorry. She's running nice and clean. Nice and clean it is in there. All the zones are calling. Check the filter. No filter or tank, no nozzle, clean burner head, good oil flow. She calls me every year. That's what they call a general filter. I'm not a big fan of them. Five-eighths. The filter's not that old. Yeah, it looks fine. Filters looks fine. Filter's fine. I'll leave it in there. Older lady, why change shit when you don't need it, right? You know, fixed income. Bleed the air out a little bit that's in there. I'm going to check our oil flow on the other end anyway. When we run it, we clean it. We put a new nozzle in there and clean the head. So, the special size. I think that's a 20. Yeah, T20. T20. Little screwdriver Phillips. this off. There's a CAD cell right there. It's been running fine. He just wants it serviced. Been running nice and clean, so somebody sent me the screwdriver. One of my subscribers. I've had it for quite a few years. Phillips. Should tell you what size nozzle this thing takes. It does take a 60-degree nozzle. Probably a 75-60. Half inch. Should be a 13, I believe. Get the power off to the thing. It's running nice and clean. Running nice and clean there, see it? There's a little screw right here. Phillips. This whole thing will slide right out. The thing's running really good. That's a 60. It's a 75-60B. I usually put a new nozzle in there. That's the one we had in there. Same thing. I always change the nozzles because they can get a little heated. They can get heated up in the flame there, you know. It's always good to change them. That's my motto. Screw back in there. She's ready to rock. Electrodes look fine. Hasn't had any issues. It's been running good. It's not that any issues with anything. It's just doing a service on it. So. Don't look for problems. Clean the head, no nozzle, filter's fine. How you doing?
Okay.
It's running nice and clean. That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
I checked the filter. The filter's good at the tank, so I'll leave that.
Yeah.
Getting cold out, huh?
Yeah. No snow yet.
No snow, no. Soon, though. It's cold. It's getting cold enough to snow.
You're supposed to have it cleaned once a year, right?
Yeah, you gotta clean it, service it once a year. It's very good. That's important.
Do I have to call you, or do you come?
No, you have to call me.
Oh, I have to call.
Yeah.
And you got the sticker, you put the sticker up?
I leave a tag on a boiler over there. You put it on your calendar? You put it on your calendar?
Yeah.
Or on your phone? You can put it in your cell phone now. You got a cell phone?
No. I got rid of it. I don't use it.
You don't use it. Just put it on the calendar, that's all.
Yeah. So I'll call you like in November?
Yeah, November. You know, 1 year from now. I mean, it's fine. November, December.
Yeah.
1 year time frame is good.
And then you clean the other pot?
I checked it. The filter's still fine.
Okay.
I did check it.
Okay.
So we're good there.
Yeah. Filter at tank fine, new burner nozzle, clean retention head, zero smoke.